Welcome to another video. If your phone is in this list, then you have some hidden storage space that you can use. These phones have a feature called RAM Plus, and it uses a portion of the internal storage as virtual RAM. So for example, if your phone has only 2 GB of RAM and it has this feature, you can use RAM Plus to increase the RAM and it becomes 4 GB. The amount that can be added depends on the model. This model can add up to 8 GB. Now, you might be wondering if RAM Plus improves the performance. The answer is not by much, and here is why. RAM is super fast when compared to the internal storage. To give an idea about their speed, a 10 GB file can be copied to RAM in 1 second. Whereas, copying the same file to the internal storage will take 1 minute. Of course, these numbers are not exact, but it gives you an idea. So, RAM Plus will be used for tasks that do not require speed, like keeping more apps open in the background and for multitasking. But for loading and playing games, the real RAM will be used because it is much faster. Using RAM Plus for games will actually slow it down unless the game is optimized to use RAM Plus in addition to the real RAM to store things that are not needed quickly, like the background music. But still, I've never heard of a game that takes advantage of this feature. So, if you do not use multiple apps at the same time, and you do not mind the app reloading when you come back to it, then you can decrease the storage used by RAM Plus, or you can turn it off completely and use the space for something else. RAM Plus is already turned on by default, so if you want to change it, go to the Settings, Device Care, Memory, RAM Plus, and choose the option that you want. The device will need to reboot after making the change. If you find this video helpful, click like and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any question or something to add, leave a comment. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.